guys, welcome to Ibnu's vlog. Today I'm going another country.
Yeah.
Let's go. And today we are going to St. George. We are now in the airport.
Yeah.
Now when they go,
Boarding pass.
we got our boarding pass and
We are
when
waiting for the.
we're waiting for the plane. If the plane calls our number, we need to go.
Yeah. Are you
And our
excited?
gate number.
Are you excited?
So we need to go
Okay.
immediately.
Tata.
And look at me. And look at me. And look at me. And look at me. So hello guys. Hello guys. Welcome to this vlog again. So did you remember last video?
Yeah.
We were showing you the airport we were in a plane. So we are on another plane now. So
Now we are at Sharjah.
and now we are at Sharjah.
We are going to Saudi Arabia.
We're going to Saudi Arabia. I can't believe we're on the Sharjah.
Let's see. It has all the seats.
Okay guys, Mr. Chops in this thing. Tata.
Okay. Ini nama mama yang ada.
Ada lah.